Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to PayPal account quick and easy way. So just simply log into your account, and after that when you log into your account, so as you can see here you can link our credit card. After that here you can see the quick way to just go to wallet, and after that yeah, when you move to wallet, so simply here you can see link a new card or bank. So these options available, so simply just what you need to do, you have to click on this blue button, link a card or bank. So if you have a bank account, simply you have to click a link a bank account, and you will add a bank account to deposit money. So like here you can see link a debit or credit card. So simply just, for example, I will show this, just select the debit card number here or credit number here. After that just select the card type, so expiry date, security code, and after that click on link card. So this is quick and easy way to add money into your PayPal account.